Alright, I'm over here at Nick Woods Racing. We're about to dyno this old challenge engine. Fresh rebuild. Dyno. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, we're trying to figure out this throttle situation. I actually got a little chip on this spark plug here. A little bit of the porcelain and chipped off. Checking the timing on it, I kind of cracked it just a little bit. I'm like, damn, I hope it don't bother anything, but I'm gonna have to order new plugs, but I'm already here.
Check full throttle.
Okay. That's about maybe 7/8 of the way. No, or a little over 3/4. Look at that. Factory casting marks. Let me see if I can get that on video. See that ZH8 on the left, and then it says -20. What does that say? I can't brighten it up. ZH8. See, that's what I was trying to. It's a factory cast head. There we go. That's how you brighten it up. Okay. ZH8 something. Okay. Anyway, still waiting. I forgot to cut the fan on.
Oh, it's all good.
I don't know. Probably leftover fumes or something. I don't know. It says only 28 horsepower.
What did it make over there?
Oh shit! It was 31, almost 32 horsepower. Hell yeah! It's way down. It. Can't go down no more. All right, right there, right there. If I had the island just a teeny bit up. Still bad. It's like the same thing. Yeah.
It's like the same thing at the challenge too. We wanted to shoot a little bit up there.